How to install a Guardian Hob Sensor Tap. Thanks for choosing 3monkeez Guardian Tapware. Guardian Tapware is our fully stainless steel range. Being fully stainless steel means that your tap is going to last longer, be free from lead contamination. And the hands-free sensor means that your workspace is going to be safe and hygienic. The Guardian Hob Sensor Tap comes in two models, a battery-operated model and a mains-powered model. To start the installation, begin by flushing your water supply to clear it from any debris. Next, remove the nuts on the fixing screws as well as the stainless steel fixing plate at the base of the sensor tap. Feed the inlet hose and the cables through the tap hole and align the spout. A 32 to 35mm tap hole is required in your bench or basin. Do not remove the zip tie holding the cable and inlet spout. This is there to protect the cable connections. Position the stainless steel fixing plate to the fixing bolts underneath and tighten the bolts with the tool provided. Connect the inlet hose from the sensor tap to the outlet point on your control box. Then connect your water supply hose to the inlet point. Ensure that you use two spinners to both tighten and loosen this joint to ensure the integrity of the control box is not compromised. Before you turn the mains water on, you must first connect your power. For mains powered units, plug the transformer pack into the power supply. Then take the remaining cable from the tap and connect to the transformer cable, male pin to female pin. For the battery operated units, take the 3-volt lithium battery supplied. Open the control box, place the battery pack inside with the cable sitting out of the control box. Close the control box and connect the cable from the tap. Once the unit has been installed, turn the mains water on and test everything works, as well as for any leaks. With the 3monkeez Guardian Sensor Tap, you can also easily adjust the range the hand sensor is activated. For instructions on how to adjust this, click the link in the description below. We trust this installation video has answered all your questions, but if you have any more questions or suggestions, please contact our wiseadvise centre or our customer care team. 3monkeez gives you the tools to make your work easier.